Hi there, in this video I will show you how to download and install ClimbBC or ClimbNA. To do this, we simply go to the ClimbBC website, for example, to find the downloading link here, or simply click on the image to go to the downloading page. On the downloading page, we need to first register to our mailing list. Then we put in our email address and other information and then click on the subscribe button. Next, we need to confirm it through our email. And here is the email, and we need to click the link to confirm the registration. And then it will lead us to the confirmation page. In this page, it shows the downloading links for the two packages. Here's the package we downloaded. It's a zip file package. We can click it to check the content. Here are the exe file. We can click on to try it and to run it and run it anyway. We can start the exe file, but it doesn't work properly in the package format. So we need to unzip the package or extract all the files, folders in it, and to have the package in one folder. Take a few seconds. Okay, here is the package. We extract it, so we click on it to see the content. There are exe file and the reference folder. In this folder, we have major publications and the report. And in the test folder, we have some input files included, including one CSV file for individual locations and several DEM file as in raster format. And we have a help file. We have a file for version histories. Those folders contain the data files. So we can click on the exe file to start, and we need to go around the protection mechanism routines. So we can say just run anyway. So it started. So we can click the start button to get it started. So that's it for this video. For how to use it, you can check other videos.